Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and if you are new here, this is the Woman Who Speaks Celeste channel. Welcome. And if you are an old subscriber, welcome back and thank you for your support. And today, as you can see in the title, I will be recreating one of Tamar Braxton, which is Tony Braxton's little sister makeup look. And I actually like that makeup, and it is so easy to make and so vibrant, so I decided to recreated it. And if you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and support me in any way possible by liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and all this good stuff. And as you can see, my face is already primed, my eyebrows are already done, and I apply my highlights because I'm gonna do something different today. And right now I will have a light color to as my transition, and I will grab my Jordana. This one is kind of like a peachy color, and I will apply it all over my eyelid to prep for the upcoming eyeshadow. And I will be using a large fluffy brush because I will distribute it all over my eyelid. And one trick, guys, when you want to be precise in a certain part, you have to use a smaller brush. But right now, as I'm applying this one all over my eyelid, I use a large fluffy brush. And to deepen it more, I will take a smaller fluffy brush and I will go up to my crease. And as you can see, guys, I have hooded eyes, so it's difficult for me. Sometimes I have to take my time to to get the powder or the eyeshadow exactly where I want them to be because of my hooded eyes. And now I will take an LA black eyeshadow and I will apply it at the outer corner of my eyes. And that shadow is so pigmented. I never seen an eyeshadow like that. And to do so, I will be using a small angle brush. And almost all the makeup brushes that I'm using in that video are from elf. And no, I'm not sponsored by elf. I just like their brushes, and that's why I'm using them, but I'm not sponsored. And right now I will grab my Revlon as a base. I will get the shimmery color, like the gold color, and I will apply it in the inner corner of my eyes with a flat brush. And yes, it is from elf also. I will apply it, guys, in a way that I merge the black one or the gold one with the black one with any line, because I don't want any line of demarcation. Then I will take my, after applying the color, I will take my elf eyeliner and I will use the same angle brush and I will line the upper lashes or the upper lash line. Now I will take my black eyeliner. I will line my lower lash line and connect it to the top one. Yes, the look is not finished yet, but I will proceed with my foundation and stuff, my concealer and foundation. Now I will grab my LA. This, as you can see, it's already finished. That is my favorite concealer of all, so I will apply it everywhere that I highlight. And while I'm concealing my under my eyes, I will take my time as well to define the shape of my eyes, because her eyes is kind of like upward, so I'm trying to recreate that specific eye shape, but mine's are totally different. Then I will grab my Lancome foundation and then I will apply it everywhere else that I don't apply any concealer. To warm it up, I just apply a little bit on my hands to warm it up. Then I'll apply it on my face. Then I will take a elf, yes, elf guys, I will take a elf foundation brush and I will brush it off. And don't forget your neck, guys. So I really want to take my time to blend everything, because as I mentioned before in my previous video, blending is the key for a perfect makeup look. If you want to look flawless, you have to take your time to blend everything. Your concealer has to be well blended, your foundation, everything has to be well blended, guys. So with the same brush, because today I decided to do something a little bit different, so I use the same brush that I apply my foundation, and I just, you know, use it for the concealer as well. So after that, I will take my Wet n Wild, that's a translucent powder, because I want a matte finish. So I will apply it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my forehead, everywhere that I highlight, guys. So far the look is coming along, as you can see, so I'll be finishing it up soon. Next, I will take my nuance, my favorite of all, and I will apply it on top of the Wet n Wild translucent powder. Then I will do a reverse contour. Now I will take my LA powder, and I will apply it everywhere else that I don't apply in the nuance one. Alright, I'm trying to give you a closer look to see how my eyes are looking so far. Now getting my contour palette, I will use a e.l.f. contour brush, and I will contour my jaw, my nose, everywhere that needs to be contoured, just to give my face a little shape. Now I will apply a little bit more of highlight, because you can see the highlight under my foundation, but I will apply a little bit more because she was heavy. Her highlight was heavy, so I wanted to have a similar heavy look highlight, so that's why I'm applying some more. Then I will brush off the powder under my eyes, everywhere that I highlight. Then with the same brush that I use to apply the eyeshadow all over my eye, so I will use it for the lower lash line. because I wanted to smudge everything out. So right now guys, I will take my eyelash primer and I will prime my eyes. And as I said before, the eyelash primer is to give me some volume and, you know, have something for my mascara to stick in. So that's why I'm using the primer before I apply my mascara. Then I will proceed with my e.l.f. mascara. I will link everything down below guys if you're wondering what I use for the makeup look. And if you are a lash lover, fake eyelashes, I don't want to say fake eyelashes, but a lash lover, you can go ahead and apply yours, but I'm not. I will just have a generous amount of mascara with both my top and lower lash line so that I can get a nice volume. Then I will get a neutral color lip gloss and I will apply it all over my lips without lining it, because she had nice lips, you know, kind of natural lips color, so that's what I'm going for. And this is the finished look guys. I really like the way it turns out. And she had a blonde wig, but I decided to go with a burgundy one, and actually like the result. And if you like the way the look turns out, don't forget to give me a thumbs up